Remember growing up how most of the green beans you ate came out of a can? They were small, they were mushy. Your grandma might still be serving these green beans. Not good for you. Today we'll be showing you how to make green beans that are good for you and that taste good. We're making brilliant toasted almond green beans. Add olive oil into the pan and add in your green beans. Cook until sizzling. Then add in your chopped garlic. Cook until the garlic is golden brown. Then add in your sliced almonds. You don't want to overcook the green beans. You want them to have a little crunch. Cook for a few minutes longer and serve. You can see a complete list of the ingredients and cooking instructions in the rolling credits at the end of the video. That's it. Very easy and really good. The green beans are still crunchy and they have a nice toasted garlic taste. Green beans are delicious. I could eat these every day. Anyone can make this. Vegetables don't have to be mushy. They don't have to be from cans. They can be crunchy and delicious. Try this recipe at home. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Is it delicious? We told you so. If you enjoyed watching this video, please comment below, like, share. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We have tons of great content coming. So many recipes, baking, cakes, all kinds of recipes. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the kitchen next time. And remember, we don't make it unless it's delicious.